welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today we have a stretchy flow. We are just going to work the whole body, leave us feeling really good, opened and energized. When you're ready, grab any blocks if you would like to use some, and we're going to get started in a wide leg child's pose. So coming over onto your hands and knees, bring your big toes together, take your knees nice and wide, bum towards the heels and just reach your arms forwards. Let your chest, your arms, your forehead rest onto the ground. Closing your eyes, taking any movements that feel good, maybe a little rock from left to right, just easing into the hips. And just taking a couple of moments just to connect with your breath, just to settle in, to step away from whatever's been going on or whatever's going to be happening after your practice. And I want today's practice just to be about feeling good in your body, easing tension and tightness, and just creating space, both physically and mentally. So let's together here take a full breath in through the nose. And then open the mouth, exhale, let it go. Beautiful. Spread your fingers, gaze forwards, and slowly just come up into an all fours tabletop position. Bring your hands under your shoulders, your knees underneath the hips. On an inhale, drop your belly, lift your chin, your chest, find a cow pose. And then exhale, round your spine, chin to chest into cat. Again, inhale, drop the belly, lift your chest. Exhale to round and curl in. One more inhale into your cow. Exhale into cat. Beautiful. Bring your spine back to neutral. Go ahead and tuck your toes. And then just start to extend your right leg back behind you. Point your right toe and then start to circle your ankle a few times going one way. And then of course circle it going the other way. Beautiful, and then pause there, point your toe, inhale, lift the leg higher. And then exhale, bring your right knee towards your right armpit. So nice and high, nice and wide. Again, just like that, inhale, extend the right leg. Exhale, right knee, right armpit. One more time, inhale, extend. Exhale, right knee, right armpit, pause and hold it there. Flex your right foot. And then step your right foot to the top right corner of the mat for a lizard lunge. Walk your hands and hips forwards. Hands can be on blocks if you want to. Drive your chest forwards, open up across the chest, taking a breath in and a breath out. Beautiful. Now keeping your right hand next to your right big toe. Start to take your left toes over to the right and then bring your left hand just behind the head. From here, on an inhale, start to open your left elbow to the sky, trying to open your chest. And then exhale, bring your left elbow towards your right wrist as you curl it. Inhale again, just like that, open. Exhale to close. One more time, inhale to open. Exhale, closing it. This time, inhale, open and pause. Start to reach the left arm straight to the sky. And then pressing into the right foot, rise up into a baby warrior 2 shape. Once you're there, turn your right heel out, so you're straightening the right leg. Bring your right hand onto your shin or thigh and then gate pose as you stretch the left arm up and over. Draw the tailbone slightly forwards, take a big breath in. And a big breath out. Beautiful. Inhale, rise all the way up. Exhale, look to the back of the mat and then cartwheel both hands down to the back of the mat. Lift your right heel, turn your left toes to face the back of the mat and then lift your right leg again so you're back in that one-legged tabletop. Take an inhale, lift that right leg high. And then this time exhale, knee to nose, so straight down the middle. Inhale, straighten and extend. Exhale, knee to nose. One more time, inhale, extend. Exhale, knee to nose, pause. And then step your right foot between the hands. Come up onto the fingertips, drive your hips forwards, and then low lunge, reach your arms up to the sky. Think about pressing through the right foot, lifting out through the chest. Take a big breath in. And then on a breath out, release your fingertips back to the mat. From there, start to straighten your right leg, find a half split. And then re-bend into that right knee. And we're just going to repeat that a few times. So in your own time, just straightening and bending that right leg. Maybe working with the breath. So inhale brings you forward. Exhale, you straighten. Just repeating a few more rounds. Beautiful. And then next time your right leg is straight, we're going to pause there in our half split. Tailbone tilts back, taking a deep breath in. And a slow breath out. Beautiful. Inhale, re-bends the right knee. Lift your left knee up. And then step your left foot to meet your right foot, finding a soft fold at the front of the mat. From there, bring your chin to your chest, start to roll slowly all the way up, vertebrae by vertebrae. Taking a shoulder roll at the top, finding your mountain pose. Beautiful. Once you're at the top, let's turn to face the right side of the mat. So coming to the long edge of the mat, taking your feet about hip distance apart. Bring your hands to your heart, lifting nice and tall through the spine. Shifting the weight into your left foot, bring your right knee into your chest. From here, start to circle your right knee. So nice big circles. If you fall out, don't worry, just work with it. Good. And then on your fourth, we're going to take that right foot all the way over to the left. So behind your left foot, bring the toes to the floor. Bend your knees, reach your arms all the way up. Grab your right wrist with your left hand and then start to side bend over to the left. To make this deeper, bend into the left knee, press your right heel down to the mat. Take a big breath in and a big breath out. Beautiful. Inhale, upright the spine first. Bring your hands to your heart. See if you can bring that right knee back into your chest. And then step your right foot nice and wide, coming into a 5-pointed star. Inhale, send the arms up to the sky. And then exhale, turn your heels in, bring your hands to your heart, goddess. Keep the knees drawing open. Let's bring the hands to the tops of the thighs. Inhale, lift your chest. And then as you exhale, we're going to dip the left shoulder into the center as you look over the right shoulder. Beautiful. Inhale back through center. Exhale, dip the right, look over the left. Inhale back to center. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, 5-pointed star. And then exhale, bring your hands to your heart again. Start to find side lunge to the right. So we're going to bend the right knee. Option right forearm to thigh, otherwise hands to floor or blocks as you lift your left toes. Wherever you are, think tailbone back, chest forwards, getting a nice deep stretch down the inner left thigh. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. Gazing over your right shoulder, pivot around, finding your runner's lunge. Inhale, step back to a plank. And then exhale, lower slowly to the belly. Point your toes, inhale, cobra number 1, lifting up through the chest. And then exhale to child's pose. Bring your bum to your heels and allow your forehead to release. Take a big breath in. Open the mouth, let it go. Beautiful. Inhale, rise back into a tabletop. Hands under shoulders, knees underneath the hips. Go ahead and tuck your toes. Send your left leg to the back of the mat, point your left toe. And then circle your left ankle a few times, going one way. And then, of course, the other way. Good, and then pause there, point the toe, inhale, lift the leg higher. Exhale, left knee, left armpit, nice and high, nice and wide. Inhale, straighten and extend. Exhale, knee to armpit. One more, inhale, straighten, extend. Exhale, knee to armpit, pause. Flex the left foot to the top left corner of the mat. Walk your hands and hips forward during a lizard lunge. Chest forwards, shoulders back. Take a breath in. And a breath out. Beautiful. Keep your left hand next to your left big toe. Start to turn your right toes out to the left. Bring your right hands just behind the head. And then on an inhale, start to open your right arm, shoulder, chest to the sky. Exhale, right elbow towards the left wrist. 2 more. Inhale to turn. Exhale to curl in. Last time, inhale to turn. Exhale to curl in. Beautiful. This time, inhale, turn, pause. Start to stretch the right arm up to the sky. Take a breath in. And then exhale, press through the left foot. We're going to rise all the way up. Turn your left heel out, so you're straightening the left leg. Left hand to thigh or shin, right arm stretches up and over into your side bend. Take a full breath in and a full breath out. Lovely. On your next inhale, come back to center. Exhale, cartwheel the hands down to the back of the mat. Lift your left heel, take your right toes to the back of the mat. Lift your left leg again, point your toe, inhale. And then this time, knee to nose. Exhale, give the knee a kiss. Inhale, straighten and extend. Knee to nose, exhale. One more, inhale. Knee to nose, exhale, hold. This time, left foot steps between the thumbs. Walk your hands and hips forwards, look forwards, arms to the sky, and Vinyasa. Pressing through that left foot, take a big breath in. And then exhale, fingers back to the floor. From there, start to straighten your left leg, finding your half split. And then several times again on your own, start to bend the left knee and straighten the left leg. So you're moving between lunge and half split. See if you can connect your breath to your movement. Beautiful. Next time you're in half split, let's pause there just for an added breath. Tailbone back, take a breath in and a breath out. Beautiful. On your next inhale, gaze forwards. Rebend the left knee, lift your right knee, and then step your right foot to meet your left foot, finding a fold. Bring your chin to your chest, start to roll slowly all the way up. Take a shoulder roll at the top, finding your mountain pose. Beautiful. Bring your hands to your heart, turning to the left this time. So taking your feet about hip distance apart. From there, start to shift your weight into your right foot and draw your left knee into your chest. Good. I'm going to turn to face you just so you can see me, but start to circle that left leg again. So nice big circles. About 3 to start with. Good. And then on the 4th, we're going to take that left leg all the way behind the right foot. Come onto the tiptoes. Bend the knees, reach your arms up. Grab the left wrist with the right hand and side bend over towards the right. Good. The more you press into the heel, the more you bend into the knee, the deeper the stretch will be. Beautiful. And then slowly upright the spine first. Bring that left knee back to the chest, hands to the heart. And then we're going to step that left foot nice and wide. Heels in, toes out. Big breath in, reach up. Exhale, goddess, hands to heart, sit nice and low. Go, take your hands onto the thighs again. Lift your chest, breathe in. Exhale, dip the right shoulder in the center, look over your left. Inhale, bring it back to center. Exhale, dip the left shoulder, look over the right. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, hands to the heart. Inhale, 5-pointed star. And then exhale, side lunge to the left. So hands to the heart. Bend your left knee, maybe forearm to thigh, maybe come all the way down as you lift your right toes. Tailbone back, chest forwards, pausing there, big breath in. And big breath out. Really nice. From there, release the hands down. Start to crawl your way back to face the front of the mat. Inhale, step back to a plank. Exhale, lower slowly to the belly. Inhale, point the toes, lift into cobra. And then exhale, child's pose, bum to heels. Forehead rests onto the mat. Relax the body fully. Take a deep breath in. Open the mouth, sigh to release. One more time, big breath in. And a big sigh. Slowly start to walk your hands up towards the knees. Rest your hands onto your thighs. Grow nice and tall. Close your eyes. Take a moment just to thank yourself. Check in with how you feel. See if you can take the qualities of openness, of strength, of focus, and of calm and peace with you as you leave the mat, entering into the rest of your day, evening, whatever's ahead. Bring your hands to your heart, bow the forehead down, just so I can thank you for sharing your energy, your time, and your practice with me today. The light in me honours the light in you. Namaste.